Hi, welcome back to another video. I'm Connor from Hybrid Technology Partners, and today is the next video in our Priority ERP series. This time we're going to be going through macros within Priority. These are one of my favorite features about Priority, and I absolutely love using them. If you're not sure what macro is, macros are a predetermined set of instructions or actions that you record for the machine or the software to do later on. These are particularly useful for things like data entry or data manipulation at scale, and they save you time and they reduce human error. So let's take a look at how they work. So let's go into our part catalog for this. So the macro that we're going to be creating is going to be very, very simple, but it'll give you an idea of how macros work within Priority. So what we want to do, you see all of these part numbers here are the status is in use. So let's just say we had all these parts and they're all, out of date or whatever it is, and we don't want them in use anymore. Change the status to not in use. Simple. So the way we do this is we go to automations, we go to macros, and you see we already have a couple here already, but we record macro. The name, let's just put it as not in use. Now we have the option of whether we want it to repeat or not. So do we want this to just carry out the actions that we've recorded and nothing more? Or do we want it to carry out the actions on a repeating cycle until it reaches the end of the record? So for this case, we'll go repeat, just to kind of show you how it works. So you click this to start recording. So you can use keystrokes with your keyboard, you can use clicks with your mouse, you can use a combination of both, and that's what I'm going to do here. So first action, we're going to click the drop down menu, and we're going to go down to not in use. Then we'll use the downward arrow to go to the next line. That's it. Okay, so we can go down here and we'll click stop recording. We click OK. So now we go back up here and we put this back into in use. So now all of our parts are in use, and we want to put them all as not in use. So instead of going through one by one by one, we can go up to automations, we can click macros, we can click not in use, and it's going to go one by one the entire way down the page. An amazing tool, especially for ourselves when we're implementing an ERP system with new clients, and they have a lot of legacy in data and information that they want to clean up, they want to put old parts that are no longer in use, or maybe they want to delete stuff. It's a really, really easy and effective way of letting the software do a lot of the work for you, and you can go away and have yourself a cup of coffee, come back in 5 minutes, and it's all done for you. So that's macros, nice and simple. So now you know what macros are and how they work within Priority. You can see that they're a really, really powerful tool that can save you so much time down the road and completely eliminate human error altogether. So thank you so much for watching the video. I really hope you liked it. And if you want to find out more about how we can help you at Hybrid Technology Partners, please feel free to give us an email or give us a call, and we'd be delighted to speak with you about how ERP can change your business. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.